Hello everybody, my name is Rocker Lee, and today I want to do a video. The program Bzzagent had sent me some makeup and I want to do my review on it. So I am actually going to put some on to show you that I'm actually using this stuff, and it's really good stuff. I love it. Okay, we got Covergirl Nature Luxe. It's $2.75 and it's cinnamon. So that's the lipstick we're going to be using. $2.75 cinnamon. And then here we got CoverGirl Nature Luxe. It's $3.50 SPF 10, 30 milliliters, 1 full ounce. And Bzzagent sent me this. Sorry, the light. Yeah, Bzzagent sent that to me. This is a really good program. They rock. They send you products and then you review them and tell people what you think of them. Okay, now we're gonna put on the foundation. And you only want to use a little bit of this stuff. It goes a long way. I love it. It goes on really smooth. It's not heavy, and it doesn't feel like it's clogging my pores. It feels like it's really light. And it matches my skin. I did a good job at matching it up. I wasn't quite for sure what color. I did really well. It almost matches like to a T what I needed. That is really light going on. I mean, usually when I use foundation, it feels like it's caking on my skin, but not this CoverGirl Nature Luxe foundation. It's going on really smooth. Oh, pretty even too. Very even. Oh wow, I like this stuff a lot. This is my new favorite foundation, and I will be using it a lot. After I get done with this tube, I'm definitely going to go buy more. Thank you, Bzzagent, for sending me free samples. These are full-size free samples at that. So I get to try them more than 3 or 4 days to, really maximize and see if it really does work. Because if you get a sample and you only get to try it 1 or 2 days, you really can't tell. But with these samples, you definitely, get to use it for a couple weeks. Maybe even longer. The way that I use it, I'm going to have it longer than a couple of weeks. I've been using it for about a week, maybe longer, 2 weeks. Okay, and now we're going to put the lipstick on. If I can go the right way. Yeah, this is the CoverGirl Nature Luxe $2.75 Glass Bomb. Cinnamon. Cinnamon, let me in. It reminds me of an oldie song. Yeah. And I love this lip gloss too. It smells really good. Oh yeah. It's a real pleasant scent. I don't know how to describe it, but it's really pleasant and it's light. And the lipstick is light too. When you look at it, it looks like it's really dark, but it's not. It doesn't go on your lips dark like that. I don't know if you can see my lips, but it's not very dark. You can see it a little bit. I can smell it. And the smell is pleasant too. Very pleasant. That smells very good. It goes on your lips and it looks pretty even. And it stays on. You have to keep reapplying. I mean, it's not a lipstick that, will stay on for hours at a time, but it is very pleasant smelling. It goes on smooth on your lips. It looks nice. It's not too dark. It forms with the color of your lips that are naturally and puts just a little light color on top for you. So yeah, it's really, really cool. And I like this Covergirl Nature Luxe. Brand new, and it just came out a few weeks ago. But my review is definitely a 10 plus. I like this stuff. I love the foundation. I love the lipstick, and I can't wait to try the other lipsticks that they have. I noticed that they have maybe like a pink and light red, and that's the ones that I really want to try too. So I'm getting really excited to go try that stuff and to get another tube of Covergirl Nature Luxe foundation. That would be cool. And you can go out in the sun, and it's got SPF 10 in it. So that's good to know that you're going to be covered with the sun. You don't want to start getting too much sun. It's not good. I always try to use products that has got at least some form of SPF sunscreen in it. But yeah, I like this stuff, and if you haven't tried it yet, you definitely would want to try it. And I give it a positive all the way. I see no flaws with it. I have no negative about it. I can't think of one thing I have negative. It's all good. The stuff rocks. Thank you, Bzzagent, and thank you, Covergirl, for letting me try this. And I can't wait to do other campaigns. It's going to be cool. Bye. This is Rocket Lee. See you later. Oh, I forgot to tell you. It's, what day is it? May 26th of 2011. And that's my review of Covergirl Nature Luxe Foundation and Gloss Bomb. Bye.